Ron, you were there.
Ed and we all went to the meeting last summer, I think it was, in Las Vegas. And I've done 1031s for years, but I mostly have been the outlet when I was selling one of our commercial properties. Somebody was exchanging into it. So I had a very limited view of what the 1031 people were doing. So it really opened up my eyes to see how they're using the 1031 in all kinds of different ways. As I say, as Ed said, there's about 100 people there, and they're doing all kinds of different things. The thing that attracted me most that I didn't even think of is that they were using equity to exchange not necessarily the property, but they would create basically a note on equity and use that to exchange into something else. So you didn't actually have to sell the property to do the traditional 1031 exchange. You could actually create a note on your equity and keep the property. So having a lot of equity just sitting there, and yes, you're getting a small return on it, maybe 6, 7, 8% return, but you could use that equity to go invest in something else and make big returns on investing in an added value property, for example. That was what really got me excited to figure out how I can use that. And a lot of these people can create those notes on the spot with equity that they have. So if you find something that they're interested in, they will create a note and exchange it into a property that you might have. Very interesting technique, and there's definitely a lot to learn at that meeting.
Hey Ed, are those events, sorry.